Hello, and welcome to this meditation for renewal and new beginnings. As we transition into a new year or a fresh chapter in life, it's a wonderful time to release what no longer serves us and invite in clarity, growth, and positivity. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you can fully immerse yourself in this practice. Let's begin. Close your eyes gently and allow your body to relax into the space around you. Feel the surface supporting you, whether you're sitting or lying down. Take a deep breath in through your nose, a long, slow inhale, and exhale fully through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale deeply, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale, releasing any tension or worry. One more time, a deep cleansing breath in, and a full releasing breath out. Let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. Bring your attention to the sensation of your breath. Notice how the air feels as it enters through your nose, moves down into your chest, and expands your belly. Observe the gentle rhythm of your breathing without trying to change it, simply being present with it. Now bring your focus to the contact points between your body and the surface beneath you. Feel the weight of your body, the pull of gravity anchoring you. Allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment, leaving behind the busyness of the day or concerns about the future. This moment is for you. As you settle deeper into relaxation, imagine yourself standing in front of a flowing river. The water is clear and steady, symbolizing the passage of time. In your hands, you hold a small, smooth stone. This stone represents anything from the past year or chapter that you wish to release. Stress, self-doubt, old patterns, or anything that feels heavy. Take a moment to reflect on what you want to let go of. When you're ready, imagine yourself gently placing the stone into the river. Watch as the current carries it away, farther and farther downstream, until it disappears from view. Feel the lightness in your heart as you release it, knowing you are creating space for something new. Now, imagine the river offering you a gift in return, a radiant light flowing toward you. This light represents renewal, new beginnings, and opportunities waiting to unfold. Picture yourself reaching out to embrace this light. Feel it filling your heart, your body, and your mind with warmth and hope. As this light spreads, reflect on what you wish to invite into your life. It could be confidence, kindness, growth, or any intention that resonates with you. I'm going to give you 1 minute to reflect on this silently. Silently or loud, repeat the affirmation: I am open to new beginnings. I welcome growth and renewal. Let this affirmation anchor you in your intention. Take a few more deep breaths, gently returning your awareness to the room around you. Begin to notice the sounds around you. The subtle hum of the environment or any distant noises. Feel the sensation of air on your skin and the comfort of the space surrounding you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling a renewed sense of energy. And when you're ready, open your eyes, bringing this sense of clarity and intention with you into the rest of your day or evening. Thank you for joining this meditation. May this new beginning bring you peace, joy, and endless possibilities.